We're going to try this machine. How much do you want? A grip?
Regular.
Regular is what? Very regular will be like very what? What are the difference? Auto grip, espresso, Turkish. I guess regular. Regular will be this. Actually, I don't know. Say.
Regular indeed.
For all the coffee here. He's just putting the whole bag of the coffee. And then we're gonna grind it. You're spilling. That's the coffee we're gonna grind today at Sam's Club. $19. We're struggling with the machine. Something is not working. What we do? A lady has to always do it. Oh God. Worth the struggle.